So we'll be looking at the like operator. The SQL like operator is used to search for a specified pattern in a column. It is typically used with select, update, and delete statements. So you can combine it with wildcards to match patterns in text. We have two wildcard operators. We have the percentage, we have the underscore. So the percentage represents zero or more characters, while the underscore represents a single character. So of course we have the syntax on how to apply both. So these are some of the rules guiding the like operator. So the a percentage means find any value that starts with a. We have the percentage a, values that end with a. We have percentage or, percentage, percentage or, percentage. It means find any value that have or are in the position. It can come in form of any text. Can come in form of any text. It can come in form of any text. Whether be it A, B, C, like I said, it can come in form of any text. So we'll be looking at some of the example. We're looking at example here. So the first example, the first example I'll be looking at here. Find customers from states starting with W. Customer from states starting with W. Solution. So we have to make use of the select statement. Select star from, make use of customer spending data. Select star from customer spending data where states like W percent. So starting with job, let's see how many records we're going to return. 5207. So the total record, let's look at the total record. So we know what we're doing. Select star from customer spending. So the total record is 34866. 34,866. That's the total record of this data. So after extracting using those country that starts with W, we end up bringing out 5207, 5,207 rows return. Now let's look at another example. Example 2. Example 2. Find product category. Find product categories that contains the word accessories. That contain the word accessories. So we have to find product categories that contain the word accessories. So let's look at it. is going to be select asterisk from customer data by customer spending, where product category like quote percentage accessories. Percentage. Then close the quote, semicolon. So have 222,534 rows return. 22,534 rows return. So next example. This record is out of 34,866 rows. So we have the ones that contain accessories on that particular column product category. So let's move on to the third example. Find records. Find records where the dates contain 03. This is another example. Solution. Select start from customer spending, where dates like quote percentage 03. Don't forget, said find records where the date contain 03. Where dates contain 03. Where the dates contain 03. So let's see. We have 3004 rows return. So those are the ones that the date contain what? 03. So the last example I'm going to give here, the last example. If you need more example, you can drop a message below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So the last one I'm going to put here is example 4. Like I said, if you need more example, you can message me. You can drop your comment below that you need more example to work on based on the like operator. Example 4. Let's make use of find all subcategory. Find all subcategories that end with the letter X. Select start from customer spending, where subcategory like percentage X. This means end with. So these are the record of those that end with X. So it may be asked not to return may ask you not to return all the columns. For example, they may be asked to return to pull out the country and the state. So if you're asked to pull out the country and the state, don't forget how to do that. I've taught you two ways you can make use of the select statement. So if you're asked to pull out the country, just the country and the product category. So what you do is just this is just addition. If you're asked to pull out, maybe you don't want to return all the records, all the columns. What you want to return is just the um, country, the state, the subcategory. So you can do it like this. Select country, select country, then comma state, then product underscore category, then sub subcategory, subcategory. Subcategory from customer data. So this is when you are asked to pull out individual columns. You are asked to return all the columns. So that is that. So if you have any question, comment below. If you're not clear based on this like operator, you can put your comment below. There are more examples you can work with. Just if you know you are having issue with anyone, just let me know. So thank you. See us next.